Topic 2, ratio and speed. A ratio is used to compare the relative quantities of two groups or items of data. Here's an example. A class has 10 girls and 7 boys. We say the ratio of girls to boys in the class is 10 to 1. Or you can write it in mathematical form as 10 column 2 or 10/7. A ratio only gives a relative comparison, not absolute numbers. We have to remember that. And here the example are two-way ratios. We can have multi-way ratios. Here we have three numbers, 9 versus 12 versus 21. If we divide 3 for every single number here, as we have done here, then you would get 3 versus 4 versus 7. This would be what we call the simplest ratio. Speed, we talk about ratio here, then speed. Speed is a measure of how fast something is moving. Speed is either, you can calculate as distance over time, and then you can also do speed multiplied time equals to the total distance, or time is distance over speed. The speed of a car is usually given in miles per hour. In short, is mph, miles per hour. Or it could be kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour is km over h. 110 miles in 2 hours, and we can calculate this is the total distance over time, then we can get the speed. Speed is then 55 miles per hour. Okay, here one thing we need to pay attention to is about the unit. Okay, so we have 110 miles on top, and we also have 2 hours. In division, we divide the numbers to give you 55. However, the units needs to follow the same rules, so that's why we get miles divided by hour. So remember, this is we need to do the same thing to the unit. Okay, now let's look at examples.